We cook together like a lot.
It's a passion, I guess.
We need a little bowl.
Food is an expression of love. It's a place for experimentation, sustainability, and combining flavors that just hit the spot, you know?
If you're working with regional or seasonal food, you have to be more creative with recipes.
The moment just before you sit down to have the meal, when everything is ready, you're at your hungriest, and something beautiful is waiting for you. We're creating an experience rather than just an ordinary ritual that you repeat.